Hello and welcome मेरे प्यारे geniuses. After watching this genius video, you will learn how amazingly fit people जैसे कि विराट कोहली get nutrients like proteins and fats from their strictly vegetarian diet. विराट कोहली बड़े फेमस हैं अपने ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ऑन द क्रिकेट फील्ड, है ना? एंड टू परफॉर्म सो वेल ही नीड्स टू कंज्यूम अ हेल्दी डाइट दैट इंक्लूड्स ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट्स जैसे carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. But hang on, विराट कोहली is a vegetarian. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ plants और plant products खाते हैं. And during the process of photosynthesis, plants only synthesize carbohydrates. तो भाई साहब विराट कोहली को sufficient amounts of all nutrients कहाँ से मिलता है अपनी डाइट में? चलो देखते हैं. Now, plants combine carbon dioxide from the atmosphere with water and minerals that it gets from its roots in the presence of sunlight to form glucose and oxygen. This glucose is nothing but a form of carbohydrate and it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But proteins जो हैं, they are nitrogenous substances which contain nitrogen. Plants तो cannot absorb nitrogen in the gaseous form from the air. तो plants को nitrogen कैसे मिलता है? They absorb it from the soil. And how does nitrogen even reach the soil? अब आप पूछोगे. Well. Farmers जो हैं हमारे वो ऐड करते हैं manure and fertilizers that are rich in nitrogen to the soil. तो some farmers also grow leguminous crops that support the rhizobium bacteria in its roots. तो ये जो बैक्टीरिया है ये बहुत ही यूजफुल बैक्टीरिया है because it converts gaseous nitrogen into a usable form and releases it into the soil. ये plants जो हैं मतलब जो overall जो plants हैं they absorb this nitrogen and use it to synthesize essential nutrients जैसे कि proteins. तो जल्दी plants synthesize carbohydrates during which of these processes? Well, respiration तो है नहीं क्योंकि उस process के दौरान plants absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. लेकिन photosynthesis के दौरान plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and combine it with water during the presence of sunlight to produce glucose or carbohydrates. तो करेक्ट आंसर है photosynthesis. And कौन सा बैक्टीरिया lives in the root of these leguminous plants? भाई जवाब है rhizobium. Rhizobium absorbs atmospheric nitrogen and converts it into a usable form. So now that you know how plants synthesize important nutrients like proteins and carbohydrates, जल्दी अपने Genius app पे जाओ and read about how all vegetarian sports people जैसे कि विराट कोहली obtain their nutrition by consuming only plants and plant products. मैं आपसे मिलूंगा जल्द in another awesome वाला Genius video. तब तक के लिए Genius से पढ़ो, Genius बनो.